Therefore we conclude that a man is justified by faith apart from the deeds of the law. Or is he the God of the Jews only? Is he not also the God of the Gentiles? Yes, of the Gentiles also. Since there is one God, who is justified or circumcised by faith, and the uncircumcised through faith.
God bless you. Have a good day.
No, have you learned the fact that you're not supposed to push your religion on other people?
Why are you pushing your beliefs on me? Isn't that hypocritical to push your beliefs on me while saying I shouldn't push my beliefs on people?
It may be hypocritical, but it's just as much.
So is hypocritical okay in your worldview? Is it okay to be a hypocrite in your worldview?
But not before God.
Is that okay?
Social distance.
Abraham believed God.
Turn to Christ and live. Yeah. Boy, that would have been terrible had you gotten run down by that truck and stand before God and face his wrath. Turn to Christ and live while God's giving you time.
But believe on him who justifies the ungodly.